So you want to get started in real estate investing in 2022. I've got 3 tips that are going to help you set up your life. Nope. So you want to get started in real estate investing in 2022. Guess what? There's 3 things you need to know right now. Hi, I'm Lyle with DFWtop.com, which is designed for winners to optimize profitability. We all like profitability, right? I'm here today to help you understand a little bit more about real estate investing. I'm a business coach, and that's what I do is I help people get into business. So if you're looking at real estate investing as a quick money grab, don't do it. You wasted your time. If you're looking at it like a legitimate business, then you're on the right track. So here are your 3 tips you need to know. Number 1, understand the economy. Right now, prices are really high on a lot of markets. For instance, Dallas. There's over 500,000 people coming in the Dallas area per year. That's huge because large corporations are putting their businesses in place. If you understand the economy, you understand what it is, you're thinking, oh, prices are too high, I don't know what to do. Understand people may need a place to live, right? So it doesn't matter what prices are. Understand how to analyze properties and understand how to make those properties work for you, and you'll have a good start on your business. Tip number 2, you're saying, well, that's great if I find a house, but how do I get the money? It's all about relationships. It's about networking. It's about connecting with the right people. If you find a good deal and you get it analyzed, you understand the numbers, you can find the right people to connect with that will offer you the money. One of our first deals, we said, hey, here's how much the property is for, and we talked to the guy we built a relationship with. He's like, hey, why don't I give you this much money instead so you can cover the cost of your renovations and everything? I'm like, okay. So I was only asking for this much, but it was such a good deal that he was willing to put in this much to help me get my deal. How cool is that? I had 0 money into that deal, and now I have a 4-plex that I'm running and having cash flow on. It's pretty awesome. Number 3, your education is important. Knowledge is the key. When I first got started in real estate investing, I didn't have a good education on it. So I made a little bit of money on one of my deals, but I could have made double or triple that amount if I understood what I was doing. And let's just be honest, YouTube videos aren't going to cut it. I'm glad that you're watching my video. Yay, you. But be careful about YouTube videos, because what happens is they show you just a little piece of it. They don't show you the whole thing. So they may show you step number 1 and step number 7, but in between there are 5 or 6 more steps. And you don't know where those steps are, and you may think, oh, I can do this, and it's easy. There's so many more steps you have to understand. So be careful. You got to understand the educational system of real estate. Understand what it is. You can go out there and you can try it, and you can try a mentor, but a mentor is there to guide you and help you, right? But if you don't understand what you're doing, you don't know if they're guiding you in the right direction that's putting money in their pocket or putting money in your pocket. There is a big difference. So you got to really understand your education. Don't trust YouTube. Don't trust the gurus. Make sure you have a full understanding of your education program. Make sure you understand the exits. Because you know what? The best deal happens when you get the money at the front. Think about that. When you buy a property, that's when you make your money. When you sell, it's when you make your profit. I know it's kind of a weird way of thinking about it. But if you understand real estate investing truly, top to bottom, you have a good foundation of real estate education, that's when you're taking the right steps. That's when 2022 or 2025 or 2027 or 2030, it doesn't matter what year it is or what the economy is doing, it's good or bad or down or up or whatever. It won't matter if you have a solid education, you understand how money works, and you understand the economy that's happening in your thing. I'm Lyle. If I can help you in any way, let me know. You can go to DFWtop.com. You get some really cool stuff. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to have all kinds of fun videos like this, and I think you'll enjoy them. Have a great day. Bye.